Hi, it's Yuki. How you guys doing? First of all, this video is about how to use suru. In this video, I'm going to focus on this one. But before we move on to the lesson, if you haven't learned the basic usage of suru, please check this video first. Okay then, today I'm going to talk about をする、をしている。Both of them can express two tenses. をする can express present things, future things. をしている can express present things, continuous things. Then, let's look at example sentences for each of them. First, をする This is an example sentence. いつも料理する。いつも料理する。Which means I cook every day. This is present tense. 明日料理する。明日料理する。Which means I will cook tomorrow. I'm going to cook tomorrow. I'm cooking tomorrow. This is future tense. By the way, 料理 means cooking. いつも means every day. 明日 means tomorrow. Next, をしている This is an example sentence. いつも料理している。いつも料理している。I cook every day. This is present tense. 今料理している。今料理している。I'm cooking now. By the way, 今 means now. Also, incidentally, this is sometimes omitted. I mean, we sometimes say をしてる. So please just keep in mind. As I said earlier, both of them can express two tenses, but there is a problem. The problem is here. Both of them can express present things, so maybe you guys have kind of like this question. What is the difference between をする and をしている in present tense? As I said, both of them can express present things like this. いつも料理する which means I cook every day. いつも料理している which also means I cook every day. However, there is a difference between them. The difference between them is here. First, をする emphasizes the talker's will. So I mean, when you want to emphasize your will to do something, it's better to use をする. Also, if I literally translate いつも料理する into English, it could be like this. I will cook every day. Meanwhile, をしている emphasizes actual action. So, I mean, if you want to emphasize actual action of doing something, it's better to use をしている. Also, if I literally translate いつも料理している into English, it could be like this. I've been cooking every day. This is the difference between them. Then, I'm going to show you other example sentences. 料理、料理 which means to cook. 明日は料理するつもり。明日は料理するつもり。I will cook tomorrow. 読書、読書 which means to read books. いつも公園で読書している。いつも公園で読書している。I read a book at a park every day. 仕事、仕事 which means to work. 今仕事している。今仕事している。I'm working now. 掃除、掃除 which means to clean. 昼から部屋を掃除する。昼から部屋を掃除する。I'm going to clean my room from noon. These example sentences are casual expression. Then next, I'm going to show you how to use polite expression. When you want to use polite expression, you need to change this just like this. Maybe it's not too difficult, isn't it? However, unfortunately, there is an exception. If the sentence is not finished with をする、をしている, you can't change like this. Instead, you need to put です at the end of the sentence. For example, 勉強 which means to study. 明日は勉強する。明日は勉強する。I will study tomorrow. In this case, you can change this sentence to 明日は勉強します。However, if there is other words at the end of the sentence like this, you can't change it like that. In this case, you need to put です at the end of the sentence like this. 明日は勉強するつもりです。明日は勉強するつもりです。I will study tomorrow. Then, let's look at example sentences. 明日は料理するつもりです。明日は料理するつもりです。I will cook tomorrow. いつも公園で読書しています。いつも公園で読書しています。I read a book at a park every day. 今仕事しています。今仕事しています。I'm working now. 昼から部屋を掃除します。昼から部屋を掃除します。I'm going to clean my room from noon. Today's lesson is over. In the next video, I'm going to talk about this form. If you acquire this, you will be able to use past tense with する. So please just try it. The next video is here. Also, the playlist is here. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. それじゃ、いってらっしゃい。